Hello friends, welcome to Speaking English Simply. Today I am going to talk about a useful method of English speaking, that is self-speaking. For learning English, self-speaking is one of the most effective methods. Self-speaking helps to boost your confidence. Speaking to yourself removes fear. You don't feel shy or scared of making mistakes. It's your own private time to build confidence in your abilities. When you speak English to yourself, you practice forming sentences. The more you practice, the better you get. Don't worry about mistakes. No one is listening. By speaking aloud, you can hear how you sound. Try copying the way native speakers talk. Use a mirror to see how your mouth moves. You can talk about your day, your thoughts, or even describe things around you. This helps you remember new words and how to use them. You can talk about your day. Suppose I woke up at 7 a.m., then I had breakfast, now I'm going to work. You can also describe what you see. Like, this is a beautiful tree. The leaves are green. Birds are sitting on the branches. You can ask yourself question. Suppose what will I do today? I will learn English for 30 minutes. You don't need a partner or teacher. Just start. Talk to yourself in English while cooking, walking, or looking in the mirror. Remember, learning English is a journey. Speak to yourself every day, even for 5 minutes. Small steps lead to big success. So, dear friends, hopefully this will be help you to improve your English speaking. What do you think about this method of self-speaking? That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thanks.